So we have created the Latex document having the title, table of content, and the text having with different sections and subsections. Now, in the text, if you want to use the equations, we have to enter into math mode with opening and closing sign dollar. We can use the special character dollar at the opening and closing of the equation, and we can use the equation, or we can write the equation or mathematical symbol within the same sentence. So let us write one example sentence and one example equation within that. Let us write the example sentence below. Section 2, methods. This is the mathematical equation. If you write directly the sentence, directly the number with the regular symbols, is also can be taken as the part of the sentence. So first we will check this. This is the mathematical equation 2 full stop, or we can write written within a sentence. Okay, so this we can print on the document below methods. So below methods, this is the mathematical equation 1 plus 2 equal to 3 written within the sentence. Okay, now we can use a dollar to go into the math mode. So we can have the double backslash for new line, and we can type the sentence with or equation with dollar at starting and ending of the equation. So save it and click typeset. We can have this equation. Okay, so this is the equation written with math mode. Each number is separated, each symbol is separated with spacing. Okay, but it is within the same sentence. Now you can give 2 backslashes to start with new line. Now if you want the equation, mathematical equation for a displayed equation, or we can say it is a separately displayed equation on its own line. So equation will be written or displayed on its own line and not within the text. Then we can use double dollars, $2 at the start of the equation and at the end of the equation. So this is the sentence written after these 2 backslashes, that is, for example, $, 1 plus 2 equals $3, $. So let us check this by saving the file and clicking the typeset button. Now the first sentence, this is the mathematical equation 1 plus 2 equal to 3 written in the sentence is as it is, backslash 2 backslashes new line. This is the mathematical equation 1 plus 2 plus 3 in math mode, single dollar written within the sentence. 2 backslashes new line, for example, colon, and after colon there are $2 and 1 plus 2 equal to 3, again $2. So this goes into a separate line and it is written or displayed as an equation. Okay, so this is displayed as an equation. It is written gone into separate line, written into separate line. Okay, due to $2. Now this equation is displayed as an equation on the separate line, but the equation is not numbered. We can number the equation at this single equation. At the same time, we can number the array of the equations with the commands backslash equation and backslash equan array, eqn array, equan array. So let us check. Write the program below this. Now this is the backslash begin equation, backslash end equation written here, backslash begin equation, backslash end equation, and within begin equation and end equation we have written the equation 1 plus 2 equal to 3, suppose. Let us save it and click the typeset button, and it will create the equation 1 plus 2 equal to 3 with the equation number. Okay, so this previous equation is not having equation number, but this equation is having equation number. So $2 math mode is displaying the equation as equation on the separate line. Similarly, the backslash begin equation, backslash end equation also displays it on the separate line as equation in the math mode, but it also gives the equation number. Now let us check for the equation array. So this is the equation array. On line number 19 it is written backslash begin eqn array, equan array, begin equan array. Then equations are written a ampersand equal to ampersand b plus c double backslash, that is new line, ampersand equal to ampersand y minus z backslash end equan array. So it is an equation arrays having two equations, a equal to b plus c and equal to y minus z. So ampersand is separating the elements, a ampersand equal ampersand b plus c. So elements or parts of the equation, left hand side is separated from the equality or inequality, equal sign, and again it is separated from right hand side. So two ampersands are there. So empty space or no any symbol, no any character, ampersand means there will not be any text printed. Okay, so let us save it and check. So this is the equation, a plus b equal to c and equal to y minus z. This is equation array, and this is also number 2 and 3. So number will be automatically taken care of. Equation 1 equation is having the number 1, so that's why this equation will be having the number 2 and 3. So Latex automatically takes care of the equations. The usual symbols like plus, minus, divide by, equal, negation, round bracket, square bracket, these are usual symbols, can be directly used into the equations, but in math mode. But in case of some symbols, we have to use the math mode. Similarly, for powers and indices, we can use the hat and underscore. We'll write and check how to write the powers and indices. So now after equan array command down the line number 22, end equan array 23, 24, 25, some equations are written. $n hat 2, it gives the n power 2, then 2 backslashes, new line will start. On new line again $2 underscore a is there, that is the index a is there for the 2. Then if index that element is not single character, then we have to put the curly braces around the total characters or equation. So b underscore a minus 2. So a minus 2 will be index. Let us save and click the typeset button. it will generate n square n hat 2 2a, that is 2 underscore a, and b a minus 2. So a minus 2 is put into curly braces as a index or index. So after powers and indices, let us go for the fractions. So for fractions, this command is used on line number 26. Backslash frac. In first curly bracket, numerator content is written, and in second curly bracket, denominator content is written. So double dollar is there, that will display a separate equation. So in math, backslash frac a and 3. A by 3 should be the equation. Click save, click typeset. It will generate a by 3 and it is displayed as separate equation, or it is displayed as equation without number. Let us have one more example. $2 backslash frac. In first curly bracket y is there, in second curly bracket one more backslash frac is there, so one more fraction is there, that is 3, and numerator 3 and denominator x, so it will be 3 by x plus b. So in the denominator bracket 3 by x plus b is there, in the numerator only y is there. Let us save and click the typeset button. So yes, here in the numerator y is there, in the denominator 3 by x plus b is there. Okay. So this is with the frac or fraction command. Now let us check the square root command. So backslash sqrt is a square root command. Double dollar backslash sqrt. Y hat 2 means y square, square root of y square. Also we can have the x root also. So for that we have to give the nth or x root x into the square bracket after square root. On 28-29 line we have given the square root commands. So save this and click the typeset button. It will generate two equations. One is root of x square and second is root of y square, and second is x root of y square. So this is about the square root. Now we'll have the summation and integration equations. Equations for writing the summation and integration. For summation as well as integration, on line number 30 summation equation is written, code is written, and on line number 31 integration equation code is written. Backslash sum backslash int. For both summation and integration, the lower limit is indicated by underscore into curly bracket x minus x equal to 1. In integration, underscore a is there. These are the lower limits for summation integration. And upper limit in both the cases are indicated by hat 5, hat b. These are the upper limits. So let us, and after that, whatever the equation is there, that is written, x raised to z or f of x, etc. Save and click the typeset button. So this is the summation of y raised to z. Lower limit is x equal to 1, upper limit is 5. 5 is given with the after hat, and x equal to 1 is after underscore. Similarly, integration f of x is there. Lower limit a is written after underscore and upper limit b is written after hat in the integration equation. So in this way we can write the summation and integration equations. let us write the some other symbols, Greek symbols. These can be written with backslash spelling of the say alpha al pha. So let us write these all on from line number 32. We'll write this. So let us say dollar backslash alpha dollar. So it will write this alpha. So it is written in front in the comment. So this comment will not be executed, just to understand to what is to be will be displayed is written here, just to understand what will be the output. Then beta beta is there, so this is the beta symbol. Delta and capital D delta is small delta capital delta. Theta and capital T theta is like this. Mu is like this. Pi capital P pi is these two. Sigma capital sigma. Then phi is capital phi. Psi is capital psi. Omega capital omega. This will be written, and every time new line is given, double backslash. Let us save it and check whether the output is correct or not. Typeset. So some error is there. Okay, let us check this error. So unwanted double backslash was there. So let us save it. I have removed this. And it has displayed alpha, beta, delta, capital delta, theta, capital theta. Then mu is there, pi is there. Similarly, sigma, capital sigma is there. Phi, capital phi, psi, capital psi, omega, capital omega are written. Thank you.